Hey yo, what's going on? I got you guys a POV in Atlanta City. I got something for y'all guys. Oh my god.
My phone almost fell out.
Oh, put it in custom.
Custom. There you go.
Bro, these Atlanta people don't chill. They be speeding like crazy. Look at this. Y'all see that city view? Oh my god, I gotta be careful. See that? Swear to God. That Mustang, bro, did not have a chance. Oh my God. Hey, happy Thanksgiving. I'm really thankful for all my followers, all my supporters. You guys are the best, and all my friends. Shout out to everybody. And hope you guys are having an amazing Thanksgiving. Because everything is closed. I mean, we can't really go anywhere. Can't wait. Alright, let me give you a pull right here. This car feels faster, bro. just hit 10,000 miles. You can see 10,014 miles on there. But yo, oh no, bro. It feels like another car right now. What is this? You want some smoke, buddy? You want to run it? Perfect day. How does it not stick, bro? We got the like a perforated leather on the side with the red carbon thumb rest, and then we got the regular carbon with the digital dash or the LED, whatever you want to call it. And then we're gonna get the red pedals, but the pedals I'm gonna shoot for are gonna be these ones right here, red with the white plus and minus on it, right? Oh yeah, we're going for the red stitching too. So this one's a little bit different. This one, the overlay's like right there, right? But I want it coming down. But they sell some other ones too. But the steering wheel is going to be from Dyna Performance. These, I'm going to get it from Zen Carbon. It's just, I want these. Dyna don't have these. But that's what we're going to shoot for. So hopefully we get this steering wheel. And I can't wait. It's going to be pretty dope. The other one I looked at was, so you can see this one right here. We're gonna get the one that's like comes down. That's probably the biggest mod I've done on the SCAT, but I can't wait. It's gonna be really good. And then also we got Dyna Performance. They're gonna hook you guys up with some stuff too, so we can't wait. Yeah. I cleaned the engine bay too. Oh, that's looking pretty. Whoa! The f you doing here, guy? Get the f out of here. All right, we're gonna. Oh motherfucker, another one. Bruh, what are they doing in my engine bay? Yo, if you got a cold air intake, you always want to oil it, right? Always clean it, oil it every couple thousand miles. I don't think they're supposed to do it like this, but I'm just kind of doing it. So the way we're gonna do it is roush up. This is super easy. Need a better screwdriver. That's it. Oh, and that's it. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned because we're gonna keep bringing crazy videos, and I'm just getting started, you know. But yeet, I'll see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and peace out.